Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now I'm just out trying to save something. This, of course, is not supposed to work in here. It's not the right. So also this back door, this one is not the normal for this car. Inside is a very nice color. This brown color is, in my eyes, very, very nice. Electric controlled. Yeah. Come up with some error message. The car is dropping down. Let's see if we get the camera here. Slow speed, maximum 55 kilometers per hour. I'm not sure how to read the codes. Yeah, I have to try to find out more. But the air suspension system is not working. Not sure it's the temperature. There you see. Oh. It's automatic. I work manual here, so we have to try to see at that. A service book or something. The problem is I have to see all lights is lighting up, coming error on the air suspension. So I need to get some of you guys to tell me where to start looking for this error. It's supposed to have been done something with this car, so it's supposed to have been fixed. Let it come back. Sagging roof liner, that looks like it have been changed. Don't looks like it have been black. See here too. This car have been rebuilt by someone to look the way it looks, to look like a newer car, and we have to see what we should do with it. It's very difficult to say. So hopefully hopefully it's work out and get it to lift up again, so it could be taken to control, or at least I'm going to take it to the control. They have it done at a place where they have possibility to take the control. I'm trying to turn off this. So I'm not sure at all where we should start, or if we should just tear out the suspension system on this and put it ordinary system. You have to see. It's a 1997 P38 with the front from what do you call it, L308 or 308 or 322. Please come back with the information. I need help here, where to start looking. So we'll come back with more later. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel. Please go and look at the other four-wheel drive videos, the other how-to videos, also videos about the other Range Rover P38, a green one that's stunning. And I have some Land Cruisers and Suburbans, and yeah, there's a lot of other cars. Yeah. Put a like, please put comments, tell me something about those cars, where I should start looking. Thank you.